Does your hands give out way before your muscles when training calisthenics? That's because your grip strength might actually be holding you back. Grip strength is hugely important in calisthenics because many movements rely on the ability to hang, pull and support your body weight. Grip strength is the amount of force your hand and forearm muscles can generate when squeezing, pinching or holding onto something. It's a good indicator of overall hand function, forearm strength and sometimes even general physical health. So let me explain to you why grip strength is very important. It's the foundation for all pulling exercises. Movements like pull-ups, chin-ups and muscle-ups require a strong grip to hold onto the bars and the rings. If your grip gives out before your back and your arms, you can't really train those muscles effectively. It's essential for static holds. Skills like dead hangs, front lever, back lever, human flag and planche progressions all require long periods of grip engagement. Weak grip equals you'll slip before your muscles reach their full potential. Ring training stability. Rings move very freely, so stability comes from your grip. A stronger grip helps you control the swing and keep tension, which is very crucial for ring dips, muscle-ups and iron cross progressions. Injury prevention. A strong grip strengthens your forearms, wrists and connective tissues, reducing the risk of strains when doing high rep pulling or advanced skills. Progression to advanced skills. High-level calisthenics moves like one-arm pull-ups, rope climbs and front-level pull-ups are impossible without serious grip strength. Your grip is often the weakest link that holds back your progression. Now, there are three main types of grip strength. Number one is crush grip, the strength when you squeeze something together with your fingers and your palms, like a handshake or crushing a ball. Number two is pinch grip, the strength when you hold something between your thumbs and your fingers, like pinching a coin or holding a plate. Number three is support grip, the ability to hold onto something for a long time without letting go, like a bar or carrying shopping bags. So now let me get into some of the best exercises that you can do to build your grip strength. We have dead hangs. Just hang from the bar, start with 20 seconds and then build up to 1 to 2 minutes. To progress even further, you can even add weight or do one arm at a time. And to move forward with that, you can do towel pull-ups or hangs. So hang onto a towel over a bar to challenge your fingers and your forearms. Number two is pull-up bar holds. Pull yourself up and just hold yourself at the top position of the pull-up and then slowly release yourself down. Number three is fingertip push-ups. This builds strength in your fingers and it increases your wrist stability. And number four is farmer's carries, if you have weights. So just hold on to heavy objects and just walk with them. And it's great for carryover strength for many pulling exercises. You can also do different variations of the pull-ups that will help engage the forearms and help develop them. But it's also important to do isolation exercises for your forearms that are less taxing on the body. You can't just do compound exercises all day just for the sake of building your forearms. Therefore, you can increase the volume and frequency since the forearms are very small muscles that recover very quickly. So for isolation exercises, I suggest you do wrist curls, which is great using the cable and a dumbbell, but I suggest you use the cable because the cable keeps the tension throughout the movement. You can also use hand grippers. These are very useful for just training your forearms anytime throughout the day. You can do it at work, at home, wherever you are. So you don't have to necessarily be in the gym to train your forearms. Using the hand grippers at home when you've got free time is very convenient and it's a good way to actually build your forearms when you're short of time as well. And last but not least, we have the hammer curls. Not only does it work the bicep, but it also works the forearm and it helps with elbow flexion and contributes to overall forearm thickness. So definitely hammer curls, which you can do towards the end of your workouts. For me, I do it on my upper body days towards the end. And the good thing about training your forearms is you can do it multiple times throughout the week. As I mentioned before, it's a small muscle group, so you can train at least 2 to 3 times per week. On your leg days, upper body days, you can fit it in wherever you want to throughout your training program. And again, it's a very good way to improve your progression on, for example, the weighted pull-ups, because for some of you, if you have tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, it's due to weak forearms mainly. So once you train your forearms, you'll start to improve your weighted pull-ups. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is very informative and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.